So we got one individual here that says they're constantly running into overrunning their deadlines, and the pushback has always been, well, that's the way we've always done it. What is a good way to approach, this person says they're VP, about using digital production scheduling instead of whiteboards?
Well, you're basically taking the human gain element, the 80%, only being able to do it 80% accurately, as Robert mentioned. If you take that out of there and get a system like this in, you can actually put a system like this in at our lowest level of functionality and do the what if calculations without affecting anything, without buying any new equipment. You can show your VP, look, this is what we're doing now, and we're only 70% on time. Using the data that generates that, you can put this into APS and see the tangible benefits. So and that's again, just by using software, you can do that. But it then highlights, what your bottlenecks are and various information. So you get to use that for information, not just, just for software's sake.
Great, thank you for that. And one other quick question is, what trends, if any, are you noticing with artificial intelligence from a production scheduling or production performance standpoint? It's a very hot topic.
Yeah. So as we mentioned earlier on, the heuristics are basically scheduling rules that you have to follow because certain products simply cannot run on certain machines, right? AI usually does not like to give you an answer no. So it basically, if you try to run an AI schedule, it's going to optimize where you physically can't optimize. So I don't think that'll never be the case. Eventually that might come into it. Right now, there are no scheduling systems that are AI based. What we see as functionality from AI is the ability to help people onboard into the system. It helps us to generate training videos and things like that. That aspect of AI is definitely there. There is some work ongoing elsewhere in the AI part to allow us to generate a schedule and then backfill it with people so that people will work wherever. So there's some things going on, but right now everything is just so rules based. AI won't conform to your rules. Essentially, what's going on at the moment.
Excellent, thank you. I will say that the AI is on the roadmap even for the Siemens Op Center suite. So it's something that is being worked on.